Here is a Sans Air Purifier review. Sans has a Black Friday that you can save up to 35% for a limited time only. It has different features that you can use on your end. Now let's focus first on the discounts that you can get. If you purchase this on Black Friday, it will give you up to 35% off. And what are you going to do if you receive it? Now let's see the Sans promise. It has a 5-year warranty, a 30-day risk-free trial that you can try Sans at your pace from free returns, free shipping, all orders shipped by UPS from California the next business days, and it is a doctor recommended. This is recommended by experts. What are the use of Sans? It eliminates dust from your home, instant allergy relief, capture pet hair, and quietest in class. It has two colors, it has black and white. And as you can see, there is another version of a Sans Air Purifier. There is a Sans Air Purifier Mini, which is the smaller version of the Sans Air Purifier. It has four colors, white and black, and then brown or nude, and then green. It is perfect for large rooms and cover up to 490 square meters feet. Now let's see why is it matter to have a Sans Purifier. Because it is a medical grade purification technology that traps particles down to zero point 0.3 microns. So if you want to have a clean air, Sans is the right one for you.